Hey everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Black Ops 6 dev error code 5820 on Steam. Let's dive into a few reliable steps to get this sorted. Step 1. Verify integrity of game files on Steam. Right-click on Call of Duty in your Steam library. Select Properties, then Installed Files, then Verify integrity of game files. This checks for any missing or corrupt files and should resolve many of these errors. Step 2. Run game as administrator in Steam. Go to the same Properties section. Select Browse to find cod.exe. Right-click on the file, then Properties, then Compatibility. Check the box for Run this program as administrator. This helps the game bypass certain system permissions that may be blocking smooth operation. Step 3. Force DirectX 11 mode. In Properties, go to General and find Launch Options. Enter the Command-D 3D11. This forces the game to run on DirectX 11, which can help avoid compatibility issues. Step 4. Adjust DNS settings. Go to Network Connections. Right-click on your connection, Ethernet or Wi-Fi, then Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, then Properties. Set preferred DNS to 1.1.1.1 and alternate DNS to 1.0.0.1. Press OK to save changes, then restart your system to see if this clears up the error. Step 5. Clear DNS cache open command prompt as administrator. Type in ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. This clears the DNS cache, which can help resolve connection-based errors. Step 6. Change in-game emblem and calling card. Open Black Ops 6 and go to your profile. Change your emblem and calling card to something different. This might seem simple, but it's been reported to reset certain in-game settings that could trigger this error. These steps should help you get past dev error code 5820 and back into the action. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Error Genie, and hit that notification bell for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and game on.